Hello, today I'm in Mazda CX-5. In this video I'll show you how to manage steering wheel buttons. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got this panel. To manage radio, press this button to change radio station. Press this button to increase or decrease radio volume, and this button to navigate through instrument cluster display. Press this button to activate voice assistant, this button to answer the call, and this button to end the call. To use horn, press here. On the right side we've got the panel, thanks to which we can activate cruise control. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.